My sweet potatoes are ready for a harvest because it's starting to get chilly at night and they're just not going to grow much further. The first thing I'm doing is I'm just pulling the greens off and I'm going to go give them to my chickens. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, they're a little bigger than I thought. Would you look at that? I think that's the biggest sweet potato I've ever gotten. I got everything all dug up, and I sure wish I had still been filming when the second I turned off the camera and I pulled up this absolute monster. Look how big this thing is. So, mostly little guys, but a couple monsters. I'd call that a win.